The commercial you just watched was not filmed with a camera crew, a studio, or traditional production. I created it using Flova and Seedance 2.5. But making one impressive AI shot is not the difficult part. The real challenge is keeping the product, branding, and creative direction consistent from the first shot to the final commercial. So today I am taking one product brief and turning it into a complete commercial. I started with the actual product images, brand information, key selling points, and the visual style I wanted. Instead of simply telling AI to make a cool commercial, I am giving Flova the information a real creative team would work with. Then Flova helps turn that brief into different creative directions. For this project, I am creating 3 approaches. The first focuses on the brand story, the second focuses on the product itself, and the third is designed for the short-form social media. Once I choose the direction I like, Flova turns it into a storyboard. Now I can see the commercial shot by shot, the product's reveal, camera movement, environment, lighting, and final hero shot. This makes the production much easier to plan before generating the actual video. Next, I am adding the reference for the individual shots. I can provide product images, packaging, environments, and other visual references. With Seedance 2.5, I can use up to 50 multi-model references, including images, videos, and audio. I am using the product references as the exact visual source and asking Seedance 2.5 to create a premium cinematic product commercial of a perfume. So this is my prompt, and here now I will select the model. So I am going to select Seedance 2.5, putting the reference data and selecting the model. I am going to click on Generate. And here's our first result. The overall direction looks good, but now I want to see how different the commercial can feel with another creative approach. For the second version, I am keeping the same product but changing the environment and visual direction. I will click on Generate. Now we have 2 very different commercial directions from the same original brand brief. One feels more like a brand film, the other is much more product focused. For the third variant, I am making the concept more suitable for social media. The setup is shorter, the product appears immediately, and the ending is much more direct. Check out my prompt here. I will select the model Seedance 2.5 and click on Generate. And now we have 3 different creative options from the same product. But here's the part I find most useful. Let's say there's one small problem with the first generation. For example, the packaging color is not correct. Instead of regenerating the entire shot, I can make a targeted revision. I select the specific moment area I want to change. I put my prompt and click on Generate. And here is the revised version. This is the kind of workflow I want from AI. I am not asking it completely recreate the commercial. I am fixing the specific part that needs attention while preserving what already works. Once I have the shorts I want, I can bring them into the flow timeline. Here I can arrange the clips, adjust their duration, choose between different variants, and control the overall edit. So instead of having a folder full of disconnected AI clips, I can actually build the final commercial in one workflow. So this is the final result. We started with the product and brand brief, created different creative directions, built the storyboard, added references, generated the shorts with Seedance 2.5, and then made a targeted revision. Personally, what impressed me most was the Reven workflow. Getting a great first generation is one thing, but being able to go back and make specific changes without starting completely over make the process much more practical. If you want to try Flova yourself, use my link in the description. You will receive 100 free credits plus 200 additional credit for every new users you invite. Check the link in the description to get started, and if you enjoyed this CA commercial workflow, don't forget to like,